impact stress during aircraft landing, sudden temperature changes, ultraviolet radiation, rain, snow, all of these factors pose challenges to functioning of runways. This is particularly true for concrete or asphalt pavements, which lose their adhesion over time as there develop cracks, especially in wet weather, posing risks to flight safety. In this case, the best solution is to use special mastic routes that can ensure sealing, waterproofing, elasticity, and durability of joints and surfaces. Such characteristics can be ensured only by mastic routes with the required homogeneity, which is not easy to achieve in industrial-scale production. In view of the above, GlobeCore professionals have developed a technology for production of mastic routes for airfields, which is implemented in UPM 0.5 plants. A UPM 0.5 plant is a modular system, which comprises all the key stages of production, from heating the bitumen to mixing the constituents and obtaining the finished mastic grout. The plant includes a reactor unit, a bitumen boiler, an inline heater for thermal oil, a screw conveyor, a service platform, and a control system. The reactor unit is equipped with a mixer, a mill, pumps for liquid constituents, and a precise weight batching system. A colloid mill as part of the reactor unit ensures high-quality dispersion of materials, while on-stream mixing without air access guarantees superior fire safety. Particular attention should be given to the heating system, which is independent on external energy sources. An integrated inline heater is capable of heating the heat transfer medium to 220 degrees Celsius, which ensures a stable temperature in every component of the plant. There is also a separate bitumen boiler with electrical insulation for preheating the bitumen, which shortens the time required to reach operating conditions. One of the main advantages of UPM plants is the automation of their operation, during which all important process parameters are monitored: temperature, mixing time, rotation speed, and weight batching of constituents. This technique eliminates the human factor, reduces waste, improves the quality, and guarantees perfect repeatability from batch to batch. The UPM plants are easily integrated into the existing infrastructure of a factory or a mobile repair crew. The plant takes up little space, is easy to transport, features a modular design and ease of maintenance. Cleaning after mixing is performed automatically, in reversing mode, with the use of hot bitumen without dismantling the equipment. The result of the plant operation involves mastic routes for airfields, which have the highest performance and allow for reliable repair of joints and cracks on runways, thereby increasing their durability and the passenger air transportation safety. And what kind of equipment or bituminous grouts do you use in maintenance of runways? Share your experience in the comments section. More information can be found by following the link in the first comment or visiting our website, www.globecore.com.